All right, good morning, everyone. It is the 9th of June, 2021, and this is my morning strategy session. So today, essentially, we have two short squeezes and three small cap momentum plays. I don't have levels on anything. So usually when I put levels on things, or I put levels on a stock, it's because it's gotten a bid in the pre-market and it's on earnings, or, in the case of BIIB, unwittingly, it was because they were anticipating an FDA approval, which they did get. So for short squeezes and momentum, their trading style, the system that I use in order to trade them are really quite similar. Momentum, of course, is momentum where you basically have to get in, after a pullback and a break of the previous 1 minute candle, that's your entry. There are a couple of different setups for momentum. The main one is the one I just described about getting in after a break of a previous 1 minute candle high. After a pullback. There's also a VWAP setup, a volume weighted average price setup on the 5 minute chart. There's some things you can do in order to skim some profits from the trading action that happens. So CLOV, it has a 27% short of float, and it's getting squeezed. How 27%, that's a high percentage, and I suppose people were anticipating this stock just getting squeezed down from, I don't know, $10. They were like, it's going to hit $10 and fail, and $10 is kind of $100 and $10 are kind of big short entry prices. So if there's a stock that's been running up and then goes past 100 and then comes back down through 100 again, a lot of people will short at $100. It's just kind of a common setup. So if CLOV opened up right now, it would open up at 27.67. This is the daily. Let's go to the 10 minute here. And so I don't, I wouldn't recommend this as an investment, CLOV. It's just a short squeeze. So you just want to, with this, you want to get in, take your profits, get out. Same thing with Wish. Now Wish has a 20% float of short, or 20% short of float, and it's getting squeezed also. I'll be watching both of these for momentum setups. AEMD, this is interesting. This apparently, this company produced a drug that in trials was able to clean the blood of a patient of the cerveza sickness virus. I don't think I can actually say the word, or YouTube will censor this channel for saying the official name. I don't understand why, but whatever. So this is interesting. If it opened up right now, it would open up at $8.69. Right now, it's up 291.9%. I imagine that there will probably be profit taking at the open on this. So after a pullback, I'll be looking for a momentum entry. AEHL is in the new, or it's popping up. There's a bit of a short on it, 9.38%, but news just came out that they are ready to deliver 3 units of whatever it is they produce to an electric vehicle company. So it's perhaps a growth name, small cap growth. So it's interesting. If I trade this today, then all I have on deck for is trading it right now. I might do some more research to see if it's worth investing in after the price settles down a bit. It's definitely getting a pop here. And let's see its historic behavior here. It made a run for $20 a share back here, and this is October of 2018. So there have been people who've been buying this thing. It popped up to 537 here. It's done a lot of popping up and falling down, popping up and falling down. So I imagine here in recent history, there's some bag holders who are going to want to take profit. So I'll be trading on a momentum setup after a pullback. And then SPI. Now there's news on. I've forgotten what the news is on SPI. This is a little energy company. The last update and the news here is from April 29th, 2021. SPI, I've forgotten why it's popping up, but I'll be watching it. It's up pre-market 34.5%, and I will be watching it for a possible bounce off the 200 here. This is the 200-day moving average. And an entry for a momentum trade. Went all the way up. SPI really went high here at 46 a share. Made a high back here on this day. Yeah, 46.67. So there's a bit on watch today. It's probably going to be. My guess is the majority of these are going to be momentum trades, just for a move up. If something really starts to break out, then it'll become obvious. The broader market here is still hanging around the highs. You got the SPI. If it opened up right now, it would open up 0.16% higher than yesterday's close. The VIX is still down here below the gap, just kind of hanging around between this support line and this resistance, the bottom of the gap. I'm still bullish. Eventually, I think that there will be a breakout to the upside on the SPI for a series of new recent highs in the future. And that's pretty much what I've got on watch today. All right, everybody, click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.